Welcome to Use and Care training for the CLARKE MA10 12E Compact Quart Electric Upright Auto Scrubber. This same model is also available in the Nilfisk Alto ScrubTech 130E with only minor differences. This machine provides fast and easy cleaning of congested hard floor surfaces like bathrooms, workout rooms, and kitchens, but is versatile enough to clean just about any small space and can even address carpets with an optional soft floor kit. The machine is easy and comfortable to use and delivers excellent cleaning performance to meet your specific application for low total cost of operation. This training will provide an introduction to the SC100, including the daily use and care steps for the machine and basic troubleshooting. This course is not intended to be a substitute for the operator's manual that ships with the machine. It is important that you read, understand, and follow all safety and operating instructions in the manual. Doing so will ensure years of safe operation and optimum performance from your machine. By successfully completing this course, you'll be able to identify machine components and their functions, explain the audible click system when installing machine components, describe how to fill the machine with water and detergent, list the steps necessary to start the scrubbing function, describe how to productively clean with the machine, explain use of optional accessories, describe machine cleanup process, and explain the troubleshooting process. This training will begin with an introduction of the components and features of the machine. We will then cover the daily use and care steps, which you will follow for a shift of cleaning, including machine setup and cleaning up the machine after you're finished with your cleaning shift. This section will also cover the use of optional accessories available. We will conclude with a review of the basic troubleshooting process. Overview of components and features of the machine. Looking at the machine from the front, the stylish machine design consists of an operator handle with ergonomic T-handle design. Built into the operator handle is the control interface, which includes scrub system and vacuum activation start and stop switch and solution flow level selection switch. A safety yellow power cord with storage clip location built into the handle. A 1 gallon or 4 liter capacity recovery tank, which can be removed from the machine for emptying and cleaning by releasing the tank coupling and transport handle. Inside of the recovery tank system is a float system that protects the vacuum motor from water if the recovery tank gets too full. The vacuum inlet plug can be removed to provide machine cleanout access or is removed to install the optional wand system. Air filter cover, which provides access to the air filter when removed for machine cleanup. The cleaning deck area contacts the floor while cleaning. The parking release pedal is used to free the handle from its parked vertical position when ready to begin cleaning. The CLARKE version of this pedal will be black in color. Nilfisk Alto versions will be orange as pictured. The cleaning brush removal lever allows no tools removal access of the cleaning brush. The Squeegee lift and lower pedal allows the squeegee to be raised or lowered with your foot. The inspection lid provides access for cleanout of the machine. Looking at the base of the machine, we find the cylindrical brush used for agitating while cleaning, front and rear squeegee bars that are used for water recovery. The squeegee bars are positioned in front and behind the brush, allowing you to recover water moving forward or backward. The squeegee bars can optionally be replaced with vacuum shoes for soft floor cleaning. The parked position wheel extends down to lift the brush and squeegees off the floor when the operator handle is in the vertical park position to prevent brush set and squeegee set. Looking at the back of the machine, we find a 0.8 gallon 3 liter capacity solution tank, which is attached to and removed with the recovery tank. The tank is translucent, allowing you to see the solution level remaining in the tank. There is a cap at the top of the tank for filling, which can also be used for measuring chemical for proper dilution strength. Non-marking wheels used for transport carry the weight of the machine while cleaning. Recovery water vacuum hose, which is removable, allowing you to clean out a clog. Motor compartment, which contains the motor for scrubbing and vacuum recovery. And finally, the solution filter, which sits beneath the solution tank and is accessible by removing the solution and recovery tanks. Preparing the machine for use. To assure successful trouble-free scrubbing performance, there are a few preparation and inspection steps that must be completed prior to a cleaning shift with the SC100. If the machine storing steps were properly followed after the previous use, then you should find the machine like this. The power cord wrapped up and stored in the cord storage clip location, the recovery tank empty and cleaned out, the cylindrical brush cleaned and either connected to the machine already or close by and ready to use, the squeegee bars cleaned and installed in the base of the machine and ready to go. Let's look at these steps in a bit more detail. Brush and squeegee inspection. Optimal cleaning and water recovery performance will not be achieved if the cylindrical brush and squeegee bars are not in proper working condition. Inspect cylindrical brush to assure that it is free of hair and debris and is in good condition for scrubbing. To remove the brush, twist the brush engagement-disengagement lever located on the right end of the brush 1/4 turn. To reinstall the brush, engage the open end of the brush with the hub drive, slide the brush into place, and lock the brush in place with a 1/4 turn of the brush release lever. You will know the brush is properly installed because you will hear and feel a click to confirm proper engagement. This is the case when installing any part back onto the machine. You'll always feel and hear a click. Note: if solution or recovery tank contains liquid, remove the tanks from the machine prior to leaning the machine back to prevent any leaks onto the floor. Inspect the squeegee bars to assure they are in good condition without tears or significant wear on the edges. To remove the squeegees, first place the squeegee bars in the lowered position by putting the squeegee lift lower pedal in the vacuum active position. Pull each squeegee bar directly away from the machine base to remove. Clean or replace the squeegee bars and then reinstall the squeegee bars by placing them in the correct orientation and pushing them back in place. Each squeegee bar will make 2 clicks to confirm it is properly installed. Recovery tank inspection. Remove the solution and recovery tank assembly from the machine by lifting the tank coupling handle and lifting the tank out towards the front of the machine. Next, disconnect the solution tank from the recovery tank by clicking the handle at the top of the solution tank up. Set the solution tank aside. On the front and rear of the recovery tank is a set of latches that allow the recovery tank to be fully opened up. Inspect the recovery tank to assure it is clean and that the vacuum motor protection float moves freely and is free of debris and hair. This float protects the vacuum motor from water if the solution tank becomes too full. Reassemble the recovery tank halves and set it aside. Filling the solution tank. The unique design of the solution tank allows the tank to be filled from all types of hoses and faucets, including bathroom sinks, with minimal clearance. To fill the tank, remove the solution tank cap. Place the opening under the faucet and fill with water. Hot water cleans better than cold water, so hot water should be used if available, but do not exceed 130 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 54 degrees Celsius. Add any auto scrubber compatible chemical to the tank to increase cleaning power. The cap of the solution tank includes a measuring cup that is scaled as 1% of the solution tank capacity. Thus, if selected chemical used recommends 2% dilution strength, then add 2 caps full of the chemical and then fully fill the solution tank and replace the cap. Connect the solution tank to the recovery tank by engaging the hook system at the bottom of the tanks and click the locking handle into place to assure they are locked together. Next, install the tank assembly into the machine body from the front of the machine. Engage the base of the tank assembly with the indicated ridge in the machine. Lock the tanks into place with a downward click of the handle. The final inspection step is to give the machine a quick walk around and look for anything that looks worn, loose, damaged, or leaking or is out of place. Address issues found with the machine before using for cleaning. To transport the machine to the location to be cleaned, assure the handle is in the raised, locked, and parked position, and then lean the machine back and roll it on the back wheels to the area to be cleaned. Connect to power. Release the power cord from the storage clip location and plug into an outlet with proper ground. Verify that the cord is securely connected at the cord connection close to the machine handle. This connection is used to help reduce tripping hazards since the cord can safely disconnect near the handle if someone puts stress on the cord by catching their foot on it. To begin scrubbing, use your foot to lower the squeegee to the floor so you can recover used solution if not in the lowered position already. Release the handle from the park position to the cleaning position using your foot to press the release pedal. For CLARKE machines, this pedal will be black. For Nilfisk Alto, it will be orange. Turn on the scrub system activation switch on the handle. This will activate the motor that powers the scrub brush and vacuum systems. Select the solution level desired for the application. The low flow setting is adequate for all but the heaviest soil level applications and will increase runtime per solution tank of water for increased productivity. All scrub and vacuum systems will stop if the scrub activation switch is turned off. To maximize your cleaning efficiency and safety, here are some cleaning best practices. Plan your route carefully to use as many long straight runs as possible to minimize turns and maximize productivity. Use a consistent overlap, enough overlap to not miss surfaces, but not too much to reduce productivity. When cleaning along walls, use the right side of the machine since the scrub deck is shifted to the right and provides better edge cleaning along the right side. To easily reach under barriers like a bathroom divider, lower the handle position. Clean more heavily soiled areas for longer times to allow deeper cleaning. Double scrub if necessary. Finally, regularly examine water recovery and cleaning performance. If you are not leaving floors clean, safe, and dry, make the necessary adjustments to the machine or squeegee. Double scrubbing. If your application has some areas with stubborn stuck-on debris that will not come off in a single pass, you can use the double scrub functionality to allow solution to dwell on the surface to help break up and loosen the debris. To set machine in double scrub mode, use your foot to kick the squeegee bar raise lower lever into the no vacuum position and continue scrubbing. The squeegee bars will raise off the floor, but the vacuum motor will still be active. When area is cleaned and you are ready to recover the solution and soil, lower these squeegee bars again using the foot lower lever. Dumping and refilling. Eventually the solution tank will get used up and the recovery tank will become full with the recovered water. The machine has an automatic float valve system built into the recovery tank that protects the vacuum motor from ingesting water. Once the float activates, the vacuum motor pitch will change to a higher pitch sound. Usually, you will run out of solution before the automatic float engages. You can also visually see the remaining solution level by looking at the translucent solution tank. When the solution tank is empty, or the recovery tank full, turn off the machine and transport the machine to a suitable location to empty it. Disconnect the combination solution and recovery tank assembly from the machine by lifting and releasing the tanks and removing the tanks out towards the front of the machine. Disconnect the solution tank from the recovery tank by lifting up on the connection handle and separating the tanks. To empty the recovery tank, unscrew the cap on the top of the tank and dump out the contents and then replace the cap. If more scrubbing is to be completed, fill the solution tank and then reinstall the tanks and go clean. If cleaning is finished, it is time to clean up the machine to be ready for the next use. When finished cleaning, it is important to properly clean up and store the machine to keep it cleaning and functioning properly. Turn off the scrub system by turning the scrub system activation switch to off. Park the handle in the upright vertical position. Unplug the power cord, coil it, and store it in the storage location behind the cord clip. Transport the machine to the cleanup location. Remove recovery tank and empty its contents. Then separate the top and bottom halves of the tank by opening the indicated latches to allow full access inside of the recovery tank to be rinsed out. Failure to fully rinse the recovery tank can cause the machine to have odors and could prevent the automatic vacuum float shutoff system from working properly. Remove and clean out the solution filter and then reassemble. Cleaning the solution filter will not need to be done every day of use, but should be cleaned on a regular basis or if water is not properly flowing to the scrub deck while cleaning. Remove the brush by turning the brush removal lever 1/4 turn. Rinse the brush and the area on the machine where the brush resides and then reinstall in the machine. Remove the squeegee bars, rinse them, inspect them, and reinstall them. If they are torn or worn out or not recovering water properly, replace them. Open and remove the inspection lid in the cleaning deck by opening the latch. Rinse out any debris present. Reinstall the lid with a positive click of the latch to assure it is locked in place. Open the lid for the air filter by pressing on the button on the back. Remove cover, clean out filter, and reassemble with a click. Note, these last two steps are not required on a daily basis after each use, but should regularly be cleaned to assure proper vacuum airflow and water pickup. This machine platform has available a number of valuable options to improve cleaning flexibility and ease of use. Some of these options may have come as standard with a package you purchased. One of the most popular options is the suction hose option, which allows you to pick up water and debris in areas too narrow for the SC100 scrub deck to fit, or along edges. The option connects to the machine by removing the vacuum inlet port cap and installing the wand, which includes a storage catch for the loose end of the hose when it's not in use. Vacuum power can be turned on and off for the vacuum hose by turning the hose body where it connects to the machine body. Other options available include a black hard brush, which has more aggressive bristles than the standard brush and can be used for medium cleaning on durable surfaces without finishes like tiles, concrete, or stone floors. A microfiber roll that has microfiber material in exchange for the brush bristles and is used for light to medium cleaning on sensitive floors like plastic, vinyl, or linoleum. A carpet kit, which includes a soft blue brush and a set of vacuum shoes that replace the standard squeegees. This kit converts the machine from a hard floor cleaner to a light cleaning carpet cleaner for cleaning of low flat entrance carpets or similar carpets. This accessory is included as standard with some machine packages. And finally, a bag net kit, which attaches to the back of the machine and can be used for storage of options and accessories. Troubleshooting. An issue you may encounter is a reduction in solution pickup quality. The following items could impact solution pickup. Squeegee bars not lowered to the floor. If so, use your foot to lower these squeegee bars and recover the solution. Worn out squeegees. Replace the squeegee bars. Recovery tank is full. The recovery tank has an automatic float valve that closes the tank outlet if recovery tank gets too full to protect the vacuum motor. Empty the recovery tank to restore that vacuum airflow. Suction hose activated. If your machine has a suction hose, assure that the vacuum power is not routed to the hose and wand instead of the squeegee bars. Vacuum airflow restriction, or a clog, can be another cause of poor water recovery. Open up and clean out the inspection lid on the scrub deck. Open and clean out the air filter area. And finally, clean out the recovery water vacuum hose and remove any debris stuck inside the hose. If you find while scrubbing that you are not getting any solution flow, not enough solution flow, or inconsistent solution flow, check the following items. Start with the easiest item. Is there solution remaining in the solution tank? If not, add solution. Another cause of reduced solution flow is clogged solution dispensers. To access and maintain the solution dispensers, remove the cylindrical scrubbing brush. The solution dispensers consist of two removable rubber strips in the brush chamber where the brush spins. The solution dispensers contain small holes that dispense water onto the brush. These small holes in the solution dispensers may become clogged over time. Remove the rubber solution dispenser strips, clean them, and reinstall them. Make sure they are fully pressed back in place.